English, a global language, exists on a spectrum, ranging from informal, everyday conversations to the formal, structured language used in academic settings. This video will touch upon the challenges pre-university students, university students, and advanced English language learners may encounter when entering academia. Understanding the differences between academic English and general English is crucial for effective communication and academic success. General English, as the name suggests, is the language of everyday communication. It is the language you use with friends, family, and in informal settings. Academic English, on the other hand, is the language of scholarly discourse, used in universities and academic publications. It is characterized by its formality, precision, and complexity. Navigating this spectrum can be challenging, especially for students transitioning between different educational levels. However, by understanding the key characteristics of each form of English, you can confidently communicate your ideas and excel in your academic pursuits. If you're a pre-university student, you primarily engage with general English, building a strong foundation in vocabulary, grammar, and basic communication skills. General English is characterized by its informal tone, colloquialisms, and simpler sentence structures. It allows for flexibility and spontaneity in conversations, making it ideal for social interactions and everyday situations. For pre-university students, mastering general English is crucial for developing social relationships, understanding everyday conversations, and engaging with the world around them. It provides a solid base for acquiring more advanced language skills and prepares them for the transition to academic English in higher education. Upon entering university, you encounter a significant shift in language expectations. Academic English becomes paramount for success in lectures, assignments, and research papers. This form of English demands precision, clarity, and a sophisticated understanding of grammar and vocabulary. University students are expected to construct complex arguments, analyze academic texts, and communicate their ideas with clarity and rigor. This requires a strong command of academic vocabulary, formal grammar structures, and a deep understanding of the conventions of academic writing. If you're an advanced English language learner, having likely mastered both general and academic English, you may possess the ability to navigate the language spectrum with ease. Advanced language learners can effortlessly switch between different registers, adapting their language to suit the context and audience. This skill, known as code switching, is essential for effective communication in diverse settings. For instance, you might use formal academic English when presenting research at a conference, but switch to a more relaxed, conversational tone when socializing with colleagues afterwards. We can say that mastering both general and academic English is an ongoing journey that requires continuous practice and exposure to diverse language forms. By embracing the nuances of the English language spectrum, you can unlock a world of opportunities, communicate effectively in various contexts, and achieve academic and professional success. Whether engaging in casual conversations or crafting well-researched academic papers, a strong command of both general and academic English is essential for effective communication. As a final thought, the key to mastering both academic English and general English lies in practice, exposure to various texts, and continuous refinement of your writing skills. Embrace both styles as part of your journey to becoming a versatile communicator.